MU na number 1 ngayon. Yung number 2 to number 6 talagang talo-talo sa standings. Tapos kayo nasa gitna talaga kayo, lumalaban talaga kayo for that Final Four spot. Siguro for you personally, gaano lang ka-fulfilling na although marami pang games na ilalaro this elimination round, half a game behind the UST na lang kayo, dikit talaga kayo dun sa Final Four race.
Siyempre po masaya. Fulfilling siya kasi, ayun po, nabubunga yung pinagtatrabahuan namin. Pero yun yung sabi ko, hindi pa talaga po nagtatapos doon. Nagiging challenge talaga. So, dagdag pa. Nakikita tama ng mga mali. Ganun yung lagi, every game.
The last game, Nina, she had 30 points as a middle, and I guess for you, playing in that same team, siguro, what was the mindset to also step up for the team in your role?
I know that's something that we've discussed before, but again, those stats don't happen on one's own. You know, we all worked extremely hard to set for success in that part, and then for me, the mindset is just, like I've said before, always coming in and having no excuses, always doing my absolute best, the best that I can do in that moment, and remaining disciplined in our system, whether it's a defense or an offense, and that was the mindset for today.
Coach, you said, who do you think is still missing from the team at this point? Ano yung kailangan i-work on yun talaga, especially the last 4 games of elimination para to get over that hump and get into the fight?
I think sa laro ng volleyball, basic lang naman. Yung pasa, yung setting. So, yun lang. Doon lang makikita natin maraming teams. Kahit na marami sila panalo, sometimes may inconsistency sa area. So, sa amin, ganun din eh. Siyempre, kailangan natin yung mga basic na skills na yun para makapag-focus. Kung hindi namin ma-master, asa kami sa mali ng kalaban.
FEU, and yun nga, as I said earlier, ano yung 2-6, yung sa Final Four, mabigat pa yung laban. So, ano yung masasabi mo na, yun nga, nagkamomento na kayo mag-duck with sa case?
Of course, yung FEU, nag-adjust na. Nakita natin, nag-iba yung galaw nila ngayon. So, we'll see how they will play against the next game. Baka makakuha tayo ng information. So, ayun, tapos maganda ulit.
Congratulations.